Good morning, people. Today is the 6th of February at 7:38 in the morning. We are here at Kayak 7. By the way, I'm Matthew from the Hookem Squad. We are out kayak fishing today with two groups of people. Yes, we're going to go separate ways due to the COVID restrictions. So we have different intro. Yes, the miracle couple. This lady will outfish Mr. Azmi. Yes, sir. Then we have Mr. Calvin. We have special guests today. A guest, okay? We are once in a lifetime. You will not see him ever again. No lah, you will lah, okay? But very hardly. Mr. Alton. You see? Can't even see him, yeah. Wow. Yes, so he's today on the Hobie Lynx. Wow, let's check it out. Nice Hobie Lynx. Apart from that, we also have Mr. Kenny from Mako.
Hello.
Right, so today he's on his Mako chow. Is it?
Yes.
Mako chow.
Mako chow.
And the customer Valentino. Wow, nice name, man. Nice. So hopefully today will be an awesome day. Kenji is supposed to be here, but due to some technical issues with his car, he is unable to be here today. Weather looks overcasty. Hopefully the rain stays away and just remains like this. We should be awesome fishing, you know? So yeah, let's carry on. Hey guys, we're finally on the water. So yeah, just unfortunate, today's Kenji's not around. We will be picking up pretty strong shortly. So today's fast game, so we should, now it's 8, hopefully back, start to leave by about 11, 3 hours, and let's see what we can get within 3 hours. So let me run through you a quick one on what's on my deck as of now. Right, so slowly as we start to pimp up the kayaks. So this is what I have currently. I have my fish finder currently now on the down scan and side scan. As you can see on the right side here, there's some structure and shadow on the right. Apparently there's a fish indicator there. In front, a Real Blazer boom for the additional GoPro. And I just got a Yakutek rod holder down here to hold my rod when I do some Tenya baiting and stuff like that, you know. Especially today, actually I'm out with a injured wrist, so I don't intend to hold my rod while I fish today. Normally, if you see my videos, I tend to be holding my rod most of the time, but hopefully today I'll just put in a rod holder and let the action begin. Yeah, see how it goes. Oh, my wrist cannot take it. Yes, it's on the feed jungle. JBS 66M. Having some difficulties fighting. Oh! Oh, pain.
Guys, on Ask Me Advice, change handle side. I'm going to do it now because of my wrist. Yeah. Serious ah? You know, no joke leh bro. No joke eh. Just now I play that one, I want to cry already, you know already. It's okay lah. You make do with what you have to do, right? Okay lah. Oh, feels so weird. Hey. Feels weird. Feels so weird. Yay!
Small one. Yeah, yay! So weird trying to fish with left hand. That's a weird process, bro. Alton is on the fish.
Better than me.
Oh, this is not a mangrove, right? Mangrove are fine also. Oh, hey, how you foul hook fish one ah? How you foul hook mangrove jack one? No lah, but good catch, bro. Hey. Hi guys, so I'm gonna call it a day. It's almost about 11:30. Got to be home by about 2 o'clock. So about half an hour to get back. Put it up about half an hour, 12:30. Reach home by 1. I should have ample time. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting my channel, coming to view my videos and more. Today wasn't really that awesome day of fishing. I had a couple of hits. I've also lost a couple of big ones, because of my arm, my wrist. Yeah, so today's fishing wasn't that fantastic for me. I actually am suffering from an injury on my right wrist, so it proved to be pretty hard to kind of set hook or play fish on my right hand. So that's why if you notice on the video, I kind of had to like switch my spinning wheel to the left side so I can just spin. But nonetheless, it's awesome day out. With the guys. Landed 2 fish, missed a couple. Could have been better, but that's fishing. You don't catch a lot of fish every single day. We just enjoy the time out here and there. So to the next one. Thank you so much once again for all the support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. And click on the notification bell to get notified for more videos and stuff like that. Right, so to the next one, guys. Bye bye.